For my function, I decided to develop a GPA calculator. First, I start by taking in two parameters, those parameters being grades and credits per class. These parameters are list items and must share the same index for every class that you have taken. For example, if I have taken a math class and I got an A- in that math class, the A- would be stored at index of 1 in the grades variable, and the credits for that associated class will be stored in the same index in the credits per class list. I then proceed to iterate through the grades items, and then again I iterate through every character in each string within the grades list. I look at every character and then see if it is an A, B, C, D, F, plus or minus. If it is an A, I add 4, B, I add 3, C, I add 2, D, I add 1, or F, I add 0. But if it is a plus or minus, I subtract 0.33 from the class GPA, as that means that I did not get a basic 4 or 3. And then I add class GPA to GPA, and then I add the total credits for that class to the total credits for the semester. By the end of the function, I will divide GPA by total credits, and this gives me my final GPA. As you can see here, I made a grades list, and it contains A-, B+, B-, A, and B-, but for this class, I got an A-, and it is also a 3-credit class. As you can see, they share the same index. That's how it must work with this function. When I run this function, you can see that this semester results in a 3.36 GPA.